Welcome to this class. I hope you have like a sheet of paper and a pen because we're going to learn how to draw the Chokurei symbol. This is just one movement. So it's not like, okay, this line, this line, this line. It's not like the result what is important, it's the movement what's important. And as I said when I was explaining about this symbol or this movement, it's not the same to do this than to do this. It's different. So the same in here. So first rule, a very important rule. All the horizontal lines that you will see on the symbols, all of them go from left to right. All of them. All the vertical lines go from the top to the bottom. It's like the rain. Remember this. The rain always falls. So it's like when you see a vertical line in here or later on in here, it's always down. And then here we have left to right and then down. The spiral goes anti-clockwise, always anti-clockwise. So it goes and it makes one big circle, two smaller circles, and three circles. The spiral crosses 3 times the vertical line, or it ends in the vertical line for the third circle. So when I start, it's like from left to right, I go down, and then the spiral. But I don't make pauses. It's a smooth movement, so I don't do this. No. It's together. 1, 2, and 3. Left to right, up, down, and 1, 2, and 3. One tip, if you handwrite it, only if you handwrite it, the direction is always to the pinky. So I'm here, it's like now I don't know left to right, because for some people it's difficult. So the direction is to the pinky. The vertical is down. And once you're here, you don't know which direction the spiral starts. The pinky is telling you, oh, 1, 2, 3. Always remember the pinky. If you're left-handed, of course, then it's the thumb. Go to the thumb, go down, and then the thumb tells you, hey, it's this direction, and do this. So this is going to be useful because if you want to draw the symbol to yourself, you can actually turn the symbol reversely. And then the hand will be facing you, and then it's different. Then it's like, okay, the pinky down and the spiral, the pinky. And you just reverse the symbol perfectly. So remember, normal symbol, left to right, 1, vertical 2, and then the spiral that crosses 3 times. You don't have to say anything when you finish the symbol, but in the Western schools, when they finish the symbol, they repeat 3 times Chokurei, Chokurei, and Chokurei as a mantra. For my Japanese teacher, Yamaguchi-sensei, I told him about this and he told me, for me it's like if you say spoon, spoon, spoon. Chokurei is not a mantra, but if you want to say it because people say it, you can say it. Chokurei literally means edict, imperial edict, so something that must be done because the emperor says so. What must be done? Rei, which is like the purest state of energy. That's why the symbol represents Reiki. So take the pen and go from left to right and do a horizontal line, and then vertical, and then the spiral, until you do this by heart. And then if you want, just to remember the name, say Chokurei. Chokurei, and you'll have the symbol. Always draw the symbol once you know it, mindfully. Don't do as many former students that they have been practicing Reiki for years that eventually they just draw the symbol very fast, like showing off that they know how to draw the symbols. No, the symbol is an invocation. You really want to draw it slowly, with presence, offering this to someone or even to yourself. left to right, up, down, the spiral, anti-clockwise. Thank you very much.